Hey guys, let's talk about EOS. Now, I do hold a bag of EOS. A couple of influencers online do have like some faith in EOS, but the great majority, believe that EOS will probably amount to nothing. Um, I bought it around $100, so I've only made maybe a few bucks on it, really. Um, I am considering actually selling this project as soon as it unlocks, because I have it in lock staking right now. It just has gone nowhere. You can see this is the weekly chart. This chart looks absolutely horrible, I have to say. Um, it's lower than the previous bear market. Now, this is not a good chart. I have to say, if I would have looked at this chart before I bought it and not gone off other influencers, um, ideas that this project is going to be great one day, um, I probably wouldn't have bought this. Now, it did in the previous bear market go from about what, $1.30 up to about $15. So, does it have a chance to do that again? Yeah, of course. Um, but I mean, this is kind of a long period of just deadness, you can see. At least in the previous bear market, you did have some bounces here, and it did show some life. But I just don't know. I think this project, it's just not going to really come back, unfortunately. Um, I mean, yeah, it's really struggling. You can see it's still at basically the bottom of this, lowest level of Fibonacci here. It has to go to at least about $3.90 just to make it out. Um, Now, if we talk about resistance, um, it looks like there is some resistance around $1.24, we can say. So we need to clear this range just to start talking about maybe the next levels. Um, then I believe you're going to have a little bit of resistance right around here. As you can see, about $1.91, because it was resistance here and did play some support here. Now, if we look at it on the longer time frame too, yeah, that was support here and here. Um, so basically, that's what EOS needs to do. Um, but yeah, I'm just kind of losing faith in this one. Kind of like I lost faith with ZRX. I sold that project out too, and I took my profits at 80 cents. Now, with ZRX, I made something like 400%. So, but with EOS, I have made almost absolutely nothing. So, anyways, guys, this is EOS. I'm starting to lose faith in this one, but it is one of my smaller bags because not many bigger influencers were talking about this project. Anyways, and by the way, Bitcoin at the moment, if we put in Bitcoin, it is about $71,000, almost flat, maybe 71.1. Now it is struggling with the 71.3 area. If I put this on the daily, it'll be a little bit easier for you to see. Yeah, there's a lot of resistance lines and things I've drawn here. But this is the daily, but it needs to get above about 71.3. As you can see, about the last day or so, this is the 4-hour chart. We've just been trending down, but it is maintaining this trend line, so that's a good thing. If Bitcoin goes down, I hope it doesn't go down more than about 70,400 and gets a bounce, because that's what you can see it's been doing. It's been going up, going down, and bounce, bounce. So maybe we get a bounce again here. So anyways, guys, that's what EOS looks like in Bitcoin. If you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, share this with your friends, and see you in the next one. Thanks a lot, guys.